So the first of these principles that we're going to examine is the cost-benefit principle. And the cost-benefit principle holds that in order to make good decisions, we should think about all of the costs and benefits associated with the decision, and we should perform an action, take a decision, if and only if the benefits of that decision outweigh the costs of that decision. Now, in order to make that comparison, we need to make sure that we're comparing like to like, right? We need to be comparing things on the same scale. A common scale that we'll often use to measure these benefits and costs is money. We'll think about, for example, the happiness or pleasure that some activity brings to you, and we'll try to assign a monetary value to that, thinking of that as how much you would be willing to pay in order to perform that activity or receive that product or whatever. So as an example of this, let's suppose you were in a class with a met-in person and you didn't particularly want to attend class on a given day, but you knew that the teacher or professor took attendance. How much would you be willing to pay to be able to skip that class and get the notes without having to lose your attendance points? So let's say that you'd be willing to pay $5 for this. You'd be willing to trade $5 for those notes and those attendance points. Let's suppose that you only got charged $1 by your neighbor for those notes. Then we would say that you have the benefit of getting the notes of $5, a cost of $1, and so the leftover amount is $4.